Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, resigned and fled the country on the 5th of August 2024. Reports suggest that she has sought refuge in the Indian subcontinent. The resignation came after the army issued a 45-minute ultimatum for her departure, citing her failure to address violent protests over job reservation issues affecting families of ex-servicemen. Sheikh Hasina was reportedly airlifted from her official residence, Banga Bhavan, at 2:30 p.m. local time, with India as her destination. The Indian Army monitored the Delhi-bound C-130 aircraft, call sign AJAX-1431, from approximately 10 kilometers within the India-Bangladesh border. It is believed that Hasina was accompanied by family members and others on the flight. The Bangladeshi army has confirmed Hasina's resignation and announced that it will assume control and form a new government. In recent weeks, clashes between students and the government have resulted in about 150 deaths and thousands of injuries. The Students Against Discrimination group, which spearheaded the protests for job reservations, has made additional demands, including a public apology from the Prime Minister, the reopening of educational institutions, and the release of all those detained during the unrest. On the 21st of July 2024, the Bangladeshi Supreme Court had temporarily stayed the group's demand for changes to the recruitment quota system.